Hi, this is Christine on Christine on the Cheap. I redid my laundry room. What we did here was this cabinet was at Lowe's on discarded areas where everything was like clearance. It was only $70. The top was actually a piece of our Formica that we had in the kitchen, and we had gotten new quartz countertops now. I also then had an extra piece of where the hanging baskets are. I actually had an extra piece from a neighbor who was redoing his closet and wanted to know if we wanted any of the wiring shelves, and we said definitely yes. This was already at the house. And what I did was at the Dollar Tree too, these little blue bucket type thing has my fabric softeners in it, my sheets. But that's real handy with the soaps and Clorox and things. Then these actual little baskets that I have hanging there they're from Winn-Dixie. They were like $2.49 or something like that, or $3.49. I got rid of my other ones that I had at the Dollar Tree. I had them for years and they were just simply falling apart. How I'm actually hanging up the baskets are from the Dollar Tree, these hooks. Now I have the hooks on the other side as well, where we can hang things that cannot be dried. I also use the rods up on the top with hangers and so forth, but like example would be my husband's baseball caps that he washes. Then we can put them there and then they dry nicely because you can't put them in the dryer. But these are just hooked on from the Dollar Tree, little hooks that I just stuck it inside where the wiring is. I did not screw anything in at all. Now on the wall next to that little 3-drawer cabinetry, I got at the Dollar Tree, at the Target for $5, that little blackboard. And I just thought that was cute. I actually put the little clips, clothespin hangers that I got at the Dollar Tree, the little rope that's there, I got it at the Dollar Tree, and actually I had gotten some other blackboard stuff and had the chalk right in it too, so I didn't have to even go out and buy the chalk. But I thought it jazzes up the laundry room a little bit. Thanks for watching.